The fifth example is Suya scored 10 marks more in second test than that of in the first test. 5 times the score of second test is same as square of score in the first test. Find the scores in his first test. Let Suya scored X marks in first test and X plus 10 marks in second test. Now, according to given condition, 5 times score of second test means 5 into X plus 10. So, 5 into X plus 10 is equal to square of marks in first test. So, 5 into X plus 10 is equal to X square. I am multiplying 5X plus 50 is equal to X square. Preparing the equation, X square minus 5X minus 50 is equal to 0. See the next steps. So here two answers are there, x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 5, which is not possible. So first test he got 10 marks and in second test he got 20 marks. Next example, Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in one day. If the production cost of all pots per day is 600, find the production cost of one pot and the number of pots he makes per day. So let Mr. Kasam makes X earthen pots daily. So as he makes X earthen pots, what is the condition? Cost of one pot is 40 more than 10 times the number of pots. 40 more than 10 times the number of pots. So we will get one pot for 10x plus 40 rupees. Now total pots are X. So what will be the total cost? The total cost of X earthen pots will be X into number of pots into price. So X into bracket 10x plus 40. So we will get X into bracket 10x plus 40 is equal to 600 because he is making the pots of 600 rupees. By solving we will get 10x square plus 40x minus 600 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Dividing all sides by 10. So 4x means x plus 10 and another bracket x minus 6. So x is equal to 10 minus 10 and x is equal to 6. So he makes 6 pots every day. Seventh example, Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of the water current. See students, this is a stream. It is going downwards. This is a boat moving with 12 km per hour. This is Pratik. So Pratik is going once down with the downstream and once with the upstream. Now we have to find the speed of the sprint, speed of the water. So speed of the water is x. Now when Pratik is moving downside, then his speed will increase. Means boat speed will be more with the downstream. Means boat speed will be 12 plus x. Means water speed will get added into boat speed. And when he is moving upstream, then water speed will get subtracted because he have to go at the reverse direction, upward. So then that time speed will be 12 minus x. Now speed of the boat is 12 km and speed of the stream is x km. The speed of the boat in downstream is 12 plus x. The speed of the boat in upstream is 12 minus x. We are knowing speed is equal to distance upon time. So by taking time here and speed here, time is equal to distance upon speed. Now his total journey is 8 hours. 36 km he moved downstream. So 36 upon the speed 12 plus x is the required timing. distance upon speed is the required timing. And 36 kilometer he moved upward, so that time the required time is 36 upon 12 minus x. And together he took 8 hours. Therefore, 36 upon 12 plus x plus 36 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8. Dividing all sides by 36, we will get 1 upon 12 plus x, 1 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8 upon 36. So, cross multiplying 12 minus x plus 12 plus x is equal to 12 plus x into 12 minus x. This 2 upon 9. So, this is 12 plus 12, 24, x cancelled. A plus b into a square, a minus b, s square minus b square. Taking 9 here and 2 here and 144 this side. So 9 into 24 upon 2 is equal to 144 minus x square. So by solving this, 108 is equal to 144 minus x square. So 144 will go this side, minus 36 is equal to minus x square. So x square is equal to 36. By solving, x is equal to plus or minus 6. Speed of water is 6 km per hour. Example number 8. Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete a certain work. If they work together, they finish it in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work together? If they work alone? Let Nishu complete the work in x days. So every day he will work 1 upon x. He completes the work in x days. So every day he will work 1 upon x. Means suppose he completes the work in 10 days, every day he will complete 1 upon 10th work. So this way. Pintu completes the work 6 days more, means x plus 6 days. So every day Pintu will complete the work 1 upon x plus 6. Now if they both will work together, then they will complete the work in 4 days. So if they will work together, then they complete 1 upon 4 work every day. So this 1 day work and this 1 day work will be equal to this 1 day work. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. By solving, we will get 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x is equal to 1 upon 4. 4 will go this side, this equation will go that side. So 4 into bracket 2x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 6x. Add x plus 24 is equal to x square plus 6x. X square plus 6x minus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. And we will get it x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 4. So days are not negative. So Nishu completes the work in 6 days. And as Pintu takes more 6 days, so he completes the work in 12 days. If they will work alone. Example number 9. If 460 is divided by a natural number, the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and the remainder is 1. Find the quotient and divisor. Given dividend is 460. Let the divisor is x. Quotient is given 6 more than 5 times the divisor. So quotient is 5x plus 6. 6 more than 5 times the divisor. And remainder is given 1. We are knowing dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 460 is equal to x into bracket 5x plus 6 plus 1. 460 minus 1 is equal to 5x square plus 6x. 459 is equal to 5x square plus 6x. So 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equal to 0. So here we have to take 459 into 5 minus 459 into 5. So that will be minus 2295. And our middle number should come plus 6. So here the factors are 51 and minus 45. 51 into minus 45, 2295, and 51 minus 45 is 6. So 5x square minus 45x plus 51x minus 459. Taking common, here 5x, here 51. We'll get the factors x minus 9 and 5x plus 51. So x is equal to 9, or here by solving x is equal to minus 51 upon 5. According to given condition, x is a natural number. So x is equal to 9. Therefore divisor is 9. And quotient 5x plus 6. So it is 5 into 9 plus 6 upon 51. Student, last example is activity based. So you can solve it and check your answer in PDF. I will send PDF soon. Till then, goodbye.